Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Today's going to be a quick juice review for 4 juices I've got from the Blizzard range. These are all going to be sort of mentholated and cool order vapes. They're all going to be 25ml short fills. I've added a 5ml mix shot to make it 3 milligrams. The 4 flavours I've got is going to be the Frostbite, the Arctic Breeze, the Lizard Bite, and Brain Freeze. Like I said, these are all going to be mentholated, cool order vapes. I've got these because sometimes when I've sort of been vaping too much, I like a slight break. I can't vape menthol and cool order vapes all day long, but now and again I do enjoy them. I got these 4 from Steel City Vapes here in the UK. So yeah, let's go try these 4 from the Blizzard range and Steel City Vapes. Okay, here we are, the first juice. Like I just showed you, it's going to be the Frostbite. Got it at my usual Derringer. It's going to be a 0.35 ohm coil. Going to fire at 25 watts. Now Frostbite is being described as a refreshing blue raspberry and lime mix. An extremely fruity mixture with a very cold citrus punch. So yeah, let's give Frostbite from Blizzard a quick taste. Straight away with that inhale, I'm getting a really nice lime flavour. Lime flavour and a menthol straight away. The menthol in here actually isn't too much. It's not overpowering. It's a nice menthol hit, but not too harsh. On the exhale, I am tasting the raspberry. I know they say blue raspberry, but it's just raspberry for me. A nice raspberry flavour. But like I said, on initial inhale, a really nice lime citrus and a really nice menthol. On the exhale, a slight raspberry and again that same cool sensation for the menthol. There may also be a bit of cool order in this as well, not just menthol. So I'm getting a really cold sensation, but a slight menthol hit, which to me means there may well be slightly menthol, slightly cool order mixed together. It's not overpowering with the menthol. The more I'm vaping on this, the more colder it's getting in the back of my throat. So I do think there's a cool order and a menthol. Really nice lime citrus flavour and a really nice sweet raspberry on the exhale. That one is really, really nice. It's not too overpowering, that menthol. But like I said, I do think there's a cool order and a menthol in here. Really, really nice. And that was, of course, the Frostbite. Let's go try the next one. Okay, here we have our second juice. Like I showed you, it's going to be the Arctic Breeze. Now, Arctic Breeze is going to be a lemon granita with an icy finish. Lemon granita, if you don't know, is where you take Sicilian lemons, juice them up, put it in a pan with a little bit of sugar, turn on the heat slightly, and slowly dissolve the sugar. As the lemon juice then reduces with the heat, it becomes like a thick syrup. So it's like a lemon syrup, made with Sicilian lemons and sugar. So yeah, let's give Arctic Breeze a quick taste. Really, really nice lemon flavour. A nice sweet lemon flavour. And that, like I said, a really icy finish. This to me is more a cool order than a menthol. Because straight away on that inhale, I'm getting a really nice sweet lemon flavour. And then a nice coldness on the back of my throat. And on the exhale, just a nice sugary sweetness, and again more coldness. I'm not getting so much of a menthol hit, so I think this is more like a cool order. There may be a bit of menthol, but very slight. It's more Coolada than menthol with this one. But that lemon granita is really nice, fresh, sweet lemon flavour. Really, really nice and refreshing. Yeah, guys, that one I do like, and that is the Arctic Breeze. Let's go try the third one. Okay, we've got a third juice, which is going to be the Lizard Bite. Lizard Bite is going to be described as a lemonade and lychee with a cold hit. So let's give Lizard Bite a quick taste. Cold is right. Straight away on the inhale, a really cold sensation. Really, really cold at the back of my throat. Cold Coolada, and then I am getting the lemonade, slightly sweet lemonade. I am tasting the lychee in the background. For me, I always find that lychee tastes a bit like a kiwi fruit, but I am getting that really nice coldness with the Coolada straight away. A really nice sweet lemonade. It's not the same lemon as in the Arctic Breeze. It's a different lemon, this one. Like I said, a slight kiwi taste, which would be the lychee for me. Afterwards, it's just a really nice, sweet and cold sensation back in my throat. Really, really nice, this one. I like the lemons in this one, and I like the lemons in the Arctic Breeze. But like I said, these are slightly different lemons. You can tell the difference. Not quite as sweet as the Arctic Breeze. But a really, really nice, cold vape. Really, really cold on the inhale and the exhale. Menthol wise, I'm not getting the menthol with this. Just a coolness of the Coolada. So Coolada, a really nice sweet lemonade flavour, and like a slight hint of kiwi, which is a lychee. Like I said, afterwards, just a nice cold sensation. That one, again, is really, really nice. And that was the Lizard Bite. Let's go try the last one. Okay, here are the last juice, which is going to be the Brain Freeze. Brain Freeze, I saved for the last for a reason. This is going to be described as the perfect ice cold, sweet, grape flavoured drink. This is our coldest liquid yet. So let's give Brain Freeze a quick taste. Now, Brain Freeze is cold. Really, really cold sensation. Straight away, I'm getting hit with that coldness. Really breathtaking cold sensation. And then a slight sweetness of the grape. The grape is more in the background. It's more the cold sensation than the grape for me. But the grape is there. That coldness hits you straight away. Sort of blasts your nose slightly. And then you get a slight hint of the grape afterwards on the exhale. Obviously a red grape, slightly sweet grape, but the coldness in this vape is really, really good. With this one, the more I vape it, the colder it seems to be getting for me. Really, really nice. If you like a really cold, Coolada vape, then yeah, you would love Brain Freeze. Really nice, icy cold vape with a nice, sweet red grape in the background. And that was the Brain Freeze. Really, really nice. So that's those four from Blizzard. My favourite of these is going to be the Arctic Breeze because of the lemon granita. The Lizard Bite, again, a really nice lemonade. But I did like the Arctic Breeze more. Really nice sweet lemon syrup taste and a really nice icy finish. Brain freeze. If you want a really, really cold vape, yeah, try this one. Because it's just a real cold sensation at your throat, the back of your nose, but then, like I said, a nice sweet taste of a red grape in the background. Really, really nice. All 4 of these have been really nice, but yeah, like I said, the Arctic Breeze, because of that lemon granita, is really, really nice. Really spot on lemon granita sort of taste to it. So yeah, that was those 4 from Blizzard. I did get these from Steel City Vapes. As you know, I don't put third-party links in my descriptions anymore, but down below in the description is a link there to my website. On the website is a vendor's page. Go to the vendor's page. You will see all the logos from all the companies I've reviewed for in the past. Steel City Vapes will be on there. Really, really nice guys over there. I did find them on Twitter, so if you're on Twitter, go check them out. That's going to be Steel City Vapes. Like I said, a nice new company, trying to do things right. Really, really good guys. I hope you like the video. Did you like the video? Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Did you like it? Want to subscribe down below to see more from me. Do subscribe. Don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of any new videos I do. And also, while you're here, don't forget to check down below for all my other social medias. I am on Twitter, Instagram. I have now got my own Facebook group. There's links down below in the description to all of these social medias. Go check me out. If you want to join me on Facebook, come and join the Facebook group. And yeah, guys and girls, I'm going to say to you, like I always say to you, every time, I will see you all next time.